With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, the question is 2 moles of a gas expand reversibly and isothermally at a temperature of 300 Kelvin. Initial volume of the gas is 1 liter while the final pressure is 4.926 atm. The work done by the gases. Now let's write the given terms first. So here n is equal to 2, that is number of moles is equal to 2 and temperature is equal to 300 Kelvin. Now here a given initial volume, that is Vi, is given as 1 liter and final pressure, that is Pf, is given as 4.926 atm. Moreover, we need to find work done by the gas, and it is work done by the gas, it will be minus sign. So the answer will have minus sign, that is why here all the answers has minus sign. So let's start the solution now. So we know that work done is equal to dW is equal to minus P external dV. So this is the formula for work done by the gas. Now we know that PV is equal to nRT, ideal gas equation. So we can write, if we take this at initial, so PI, VI is equal to N, R and T. So pressure initial is given as, so we need to find the pressure initial and we know the volume initial, that is 1 liter. So PI is equal to nRT. Now this N is equal to 2 and this the second pressure, the P final is given in atm, so we will be calculating the P initial in atm only. So this will be, R will be 0.082 as the value of R in atm is 0.082 liter atm Kelvin inverse mole inverse and the temperature is 300. So this value comes out to be in atm and this value is 49.2 atm. So we have calculated the initial pressure, that is Pi, to be this much. Now coming back to this, if we integrate this, that is dW by gas is equal to minus, here it will be minus sign and here it will be P external dV. So we know that from here we can say that PV is equal to nRT. So this P can be calculated as nRT by V. So now we will be applying it here, so it will be minus nRT by V dV and here it will be dW. Now let us give the initials to this. So it will be dW, work done 0 at the initial point, no work will be done, and W. So this will be, this nRT and is constant here, so it will be outside this integration term and this will be 1 by V dV. And here the terms will be Vi to Vf, that is initial volume to final volume. Now this integration term will be equal to minus RT. So 1 by V dV is ln V, and here it will be Vf to Vi. So this term will be equal to minus nRT and this will be equal to W. So this will be equal to ln of Vf minus ln of Vi. So this can be written as minus nRT ln of Vf by Vi. So now we will be removing this ln and put to log 10. So it will be 2.303 nRT log base 10 and here it will be Vf Vi. And this is work done by the gas. Now we don't have this value, so what we will be doing, it will be substituting it. So we know Pi Vi is equal to Pf Vf. Now we need to calculate this Vf by Vi. So it will be equal to Pi by Pf equals to this Vf by Vi. So here bracket will be present. Sorry. So now what happens, we will be applying this value here. As we know the P initial we have just calculated, and so it will be 2.303 nRT log base 10 and here it will be Pi by Pf. Now this value 2.303, N will be 2 and R now will be taking in 8.314 into temperature is 300 log base 10. Now P initial we have just calculated 49.2 and this P final was given to us, it was 4.926. So if we take this approximate value, then this value will come out to be 10. So this will be equal to minus 2.303, 2 into 8.314 into 300 into log 10. Log 10 base to the 10 is 1. So I have taken this approximate value. Now this value comes out to be minus 11,488.28 joules. So this is the work done by the gas, so it has minus sign. Now the first option matches with the answer, so this is correct answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.